guys, I'm back again. This won't be the main video, like, because it's pretty much hardly 7:30, but I just wanted to make a video to say it don't want any rain, because, well, it's not even rain, it's just cold and damp, and I'm fed up with the water everywhere. So, as sound falls on my, sorry, go over camera. But yeah, if anyone wants some rain, let me know. But yeah, I've got 2 of the videos ready to go up. I've got one that needs to be edited, and then obviously I've got 2 that needs to be edited, but one on my computer already to be edited. The other is on my phone, which I'll be getting across shortly. But I should have a go at doing some more editing today, and yeah, it'll basically be a mad flash of all videos, I think. I know. We'll see. When I'm in college, I'll put one for the upload while I edit another, and then we'll just have to see from there. And yeah. Okay. Well, I'll see you in another clip, guys. Bye. Hey guys, just to add to that video, I literally just said that. I turned my video off, turned around, it's like, oh my god, the cyclist, so glad that he didn't come at that time. Turns out I actually knew the cyclist, not that he recognised me or I could say hi, but yeah, I just wanted to add that. Hey guys, to add, today I pretty much did a Photoshop lesson. That went not too bad. We was just like changing colours of Megan Fox's face, like adding eyeliner and lipstick and all that. It didn't go that well, but for a first attempt I thought it went pretty well. Then that was that. I kind of walked downtown with one of my mates, and I was talking, and then we went and got lunch, and then I don't know where they went after that. Because that was like the end of media, and then we had English afterwards, but I don't know if they went to English or not. Got up to English, and we were like, it's like, oh, instead of saying such and such is called, you would say like, oh, they were shivering or something. We was doing those, and I was good at those, so I got them done quickly, and then I'm good at like there was pictures and you had to describe, yeah. So as if like you could mention it, someone could kind of understand what the picture's going on and like kind of see a bit of a background, instead of just going, oh, they were both shouting at each other or something. So apparently I did really good work on that. Then we did a bit of a test, and I got like 8.5 out of 10, which is pretty good. Then we was cutting and sticking paper into our books, but we also had to like analyse parts. It's to help us to like analyse in paragraphs. Sorry, my finger keeps going in the way. Just trying to like wipe parts of like, I don't know what it is, like marks off my phone and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much that. It's not mine. Probably not. Oh, you can't even see. Like it's signed out for until Monday. So yeah, do aim to be getting one of these. It's like a little sound recorder. It's pretty cool. Used one before, so I'm gonna be using some of that. You're also gonna hopefully hear some of that footage if the person's okay with me posting it online and all that. Actually, it will be posted online, but like, if they're fine with it, I don't know. I just got to sort that out because I've got to speak to them first. But yeah, so that should be interesting. And yeah, I've got I Must Live On tonight, and I'm hoping John Barrowman stays in the jungle. But you know, who knows? Hopefully he will. I think that was it. So yeah, see you later. If you're not already, subscribe. If you haven't, if like you wanna just comment something, just go down and comment. But as long as you're not being rude or something, I'm likely to comment back to you. Because if you're being rude, I'm not gonna waste my time with you unless I literally have nothing else to do. So yeah, bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.